In this video, I will explain how to subtract two-digit numbers using an open number line. The first way you can subtract on an open number line is to subtract back. So to do this, you would draw your number line, draw it nice and long. You will take the first number in the equation, 73, and start with that. And then the 36 we're going to show in jumps of tens and ones. So there are 3 tens in 36, so I'm going to draw 3 tens jumps. We label them so we do not forget what the jumps were for. Then I'm going to draw my 6 ones jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to label those -1. So I have 73 at the end of my number line, and then 36 going backwards in tens and ones jumps. We're going backwards on the number line to subtract back because as we subtract, our numbers get smaller, and as you move backwards on a number line, your numbers get smaller. Our next step is to count our jumps. You can use a 100 chart to help you do that. So 73 take away 10 is 63. 63 take away 10 is 53. 53 take away 10 is 43. 43 minus 1 is 42. 42 minus 1 is 41. 41 minus 1 is 40. 40 minus 1 is 39. 39 minus 1 is 38, and 38 minus 1 is 37. The number I stopped at is my answer because when I'm subtracting back, I'm figuring out where I will end after I take away the 36. The second option when subtracting on the number line is to find the distance between the two numbers in the equation. So when we are doing that, we want to start with our nice long number line. I'm going to put the smaller number in the front and the larger number at the very end. Because as we go on a number line, the numbers get larger as you move to the right. Okay, so when I'm finding the distance between, I know my starting number and I know my ending number. I'm trying to figure out how many jumps it will take to get from 36 to 73. When I do this, I like to start by making my ones match. So I have 6 ones and I want to have 3 ones. So I'm going to add ones until I have a 3 in the ones place. So 36 plus 1 is 37, plus 1 is 38, plus 1 is 39, plus 1 is 40, plus 1 is 41, plus 1 is 42, plus 1 is 43. So now that I have a 3 in the ones place, I want to make my tens match. I have 4 tens, I need to have 7 tens. So I'm going to add tens until I have a 7 in the tens place. Plus 10 is 53. Plus 10 is 63. Plus 10 is 73. Now that I have my tens matching and my ones matching, I'm going to count my jumps to see how far I went to get from 36 to 73. So we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. I went 37 jumps, so my answer is 37. There is another way to find the distance between, and that's finding like friendly landmark numbers. So here's the other way you could do that. I have 36, and I know if I add 4, that gets me to 40. That's a friendly 10. I can count easily with that. 40 plus 10 more would give me 50. 50 plus 10 more would give me 60. 60 plus 10 more would give me 70. Now that I have my 7 in the tens place, I can add 3 more to get 73. After you do that, you still count your jumps to figure out how far you went and to get from 36 to 73. So we have 4, let's count my tens first. 10, 20, 30, 30 plus 4 is 34, 34 plus 3 is 37. Any of these subtracting strategies on the number line work. You just have to pick which one works best for your brain.